Today I will be repotting the Pinguicula I recently purchased. The soil is very old when it was sold at the store. I'm repotting them as soon as I buy them. I soak the new moss in water since last night. First, remove the old moss. Once some of it is removed, finally, remove the dirt from the roots with water. The roots of Pinguicula are very thin, therefore be careful when removing the old soil. Next, place the moss in the container in which you will repot the plant. Make a small dent in the center of the container. Wrap the moss around the roots of the Pinguicula. Then, place it in the indented area. Fill the empty space with moss. It will look like this. The plant is now firmly planted in the center. I was able to successfully repot the Pinguicula. Watering Pinguicula. Pinguicula produces mucilage on its leaves. Therefore, when watering, water the plant without touching the leaves. I also recommend these tools. These are the notes on how to water Pinguicula. When I was repotting the plant, a leaf was removed. Since this is a good opportunity, we will also insert the leaves of Pinguicula. Choose leaves that are healthy. Once you have decided on the leaves, while holding the center of the plant, pull down and remove the leaf you want to remove. Once the Pinguicula leaves are removed, insert them into the soil. I recommend water moss as the soil. Place the Pinguicula in a container with moss. Put the removed Pinguicula leaves into the moss. Will it grow well? How to care for leaf cuttings of Pinguicula. Pinguicula leaf cuttings must be kept in a humid environment, so water moss can easily keep the humidity. Watering is done by misting 2 to 3 times a week. You have to keep the humidity. If you put it in an airtight place, the leaves may become moldy, so make sure it is well ventilated. Place the plant in a well-lit area that is not exposed to direct sunlight. I will be making a video about the growth of Pinguicula and the changes in leaf cuttings in the future. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications for further updates. Thank you for watching.